Want to know exactly how much time you spend on TikTok? I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable weekly screen time notifications on TikTok. Now let's get started. To enable weekly screen time notifications on TikTok, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Digital Wellbeing. Now tap the switch labeled Weekly Screen Time Updates. This will allow TikTok to send you a message to your inbox once a week with a summary of how much time you spent on the app that week. That's all it takes to enable weekly screen time updates on TikTok. If you want to limit how much time you're spending on the TikTok app, check out our tutorial on how to set screen time limits on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.